The Ijele Masquerade is the king of masquerades. The Ijele is a special and most popular Igbo masquerade and the largest mask system ever to enter the history of the world masking system. The Ijele Masquerade has its origin from northern Igbo Land in present-day Enugu and Anambra states. It is believed that in the olden days, the Ijele Masquerade used to have 45 different masquerades perform on top of it, but currently, those masquerades are represented by the figures seen on top of the Ijele.
Alụsị Igbo niile Ijele mmanwụ. Ijele kasị mmanwụ Igbo na-eti n'ime Igbo. Mmiri alụsị Igbo niile Ijele mmanwụ. O nwere mmanwụ ka Ijele ọzọ ka mmali n'elu. Mmanwụ niile dị n'isi Ijele na-anụ n'uche mmanwụ. Wee sị alụsị isi ojii niile ọ dị na-ada ojii niile. Onye na-egbu okorobịa ga-enwe onye egwu n'elu.
The Ijele mask comprises of two segments, the upper segment and the lower segment, divided at the center by a big python. This python signifies royalty, elegance, and mightiness of the great Ijele. The upper segment of the Ijele is called Mkpu Ijele, while the lower segment is called Abahulu Ijele, and the center, which divides it, is called Eke the Python. The Ijele Masquerade towers above 15 feet. Due to its size, an outdoor big house must be prepared for the Ijele anywhere it will perform. It takes a lot of men several months to work on Ijele costume and house in preparation for its outing performance. The Ijele Masquerade has a special brand of music group that entertains it whenever it is performing. The Ijele only dances majestically to the royal drum, known in Igbo language as Igbo, the drum of the kings, while the drummers are known as Akunechi.
Ijele, amakani yo bobili nuna amawa bula nozo, ade konke mwaka teba kwa nama hwe. George, and I'm looking at the melody balan. Oya mo nyi bo na lu dana na no yi wa. Gana ya na bo la kala bo go wa fukotan. Na na wa ma de wa mo.
The Ijele Masquerade is not like any other masquerade. It is held in high esteem by the Igbo people. The Ijele is only invited to perform in special occasions. In some Igbo communities, the Ijele is brought to invoke fertility and a bountiful harvest season. The Ijele is listed in UNESCO archive as an intangible cultural element in need of urgent safeguarding. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe.